Hey, what's up? I'm Van Bay, also known as Alex or Ali. I'm bringing you this channel to speak to you a little bit more about Mercedes vans. In this episode, we're going to be going over Mercedes Sprinter Cargo vans. There's long, short, tall, extra long, heavy duty, light duty, gas, diesel, four-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. A lot of options from the factory that we have and a lot of cool stuff that we can do with them aftermarket. So we're going to show you a couple that we have some footage of and go over some details of what you can do with them, whether you're an electrician, an HVAC, contractor, mobile dog grooming, or want to use it as your mobile dentistry office. There's a lot of cool variations that we can do with these vans. A lot of people even build them to live in them. Stay tuned to my channel. We're going to show you some really cool stuff. So this is a 2018 Sprinter 3500 heavy duty 170 cargo van. This van comes from the factory with a package on it that has the air conditioning, insulation, floors, windows, heat and cool ducts, so that if you were going to put in seats inside, you wouldn't have to pay for the whole entire insulation or the customization of the interior. You would just basically be putting in the seats and you're ready to go for a shuttle or limo. The full installation, the air conditioning heat for the rear. The floor is undone. It's just got the wood paneling so that you can put in seats and do a custom job on it. And then in the back, for New York State, it's a heavy duty, so it's got the dual wheels, and that gives you the capacity for the bigger weight for DOT regulation. So what I like about 3500 cargo vans, especially the heavy duty ones, is that you can use them for commercial purposes or for transportation, especially in New York City. This is a 2019 Sprinter 3500 extended cargo van with a super single wheel package. People could use this van for anything, but this one is specifically built for the Master Solutions Upfitter Drive Ridge, which is made for a SmartLiner only. So a SmartLiner is a interior seating configuration package that's a Master Solutions Outfitter. You can see it on the website. This is a 13 plus driver and passenger, so it seats 15 in total. For New York State, it's 14 plus 1, 9,900 pound weight capacity. They changed the floor to a nice wood floor, add the LED lighting on the top, put in the luxury partition in the back, small one or large one. This one happens to be the large one. They do USB ports at the bottom of the seats. Reclining rear seats is optional. This one has the reclining rear seats with the cushion headrests. You've got an emergency exit with lights on the passenger side exit, and you've also got a 36-inch driver's side step and a 8-foot driver's side step on the passenger side. So super cool configuration. So the really cool thing about this van is it is a 3500 extended cargo van on a heavier duty chassis, but it is a super single, so you don't have to pay the extra tolls when you go through with the double wheels in the back like most of the 3500s. The neat thing is that it is designed specifically for Mercedes-Benz, and it is one of a kind, and it's really cool because it passes DOT and you can use it for rideshare. This van is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo 144 high roof 4x4. Super cool van. People can use the 4x4s for just about anything. A lot of people like to use them for camping and making it into a living mobile. A lot of RV companies use those or request 4x4s, but they're used for anything. So this van is extremely well equipped or loaded from the factory. It's got just about every option under the sun. It does have the four-wheel drive, so it's got a true transfer case to switch from high or low differential. It's got the wood floor in the rear, the 270 doors. It's got the touchscreen 10.25 inch MBUX, really cool new system. This is actually the first year that they made that from Mercedes-Benz, touchscreen, especially for the vans. It's the first high-tech navigation system that we've ever had. What I like most about this van is that it is a 4x4 and it's a true 4x4, so it's not an all-the-time all-wheel drive, so you have the option to turn it on or off, and you can take it off-road on the beach. You can customize it into a really cool camper or an off-road vehicle. That's my favorite type of van, is the 4x4 cargo van, because you can cut windows or air conditioning into them, or you can just leave it a straight empty cargo van. So this is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Cargo van, 144 low roof. It is short wheelbase. So this is the smallest van that we actually make on our Sprinter side. This one happens to be gas. They're not always offered in gas. All right, so this is a low roof 1500 cargo van. It's 5'5" inside interior height, and these are the wall panels that come from the factory, and this is the factory wood floor. This is the standard upholstery that comes on all the vans. There's two different color options, but they all have a base of black. But it's a nice fabric. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant in a sense. One of the cool things about the low roof cargo van is that you can drive them on a lot of parkways even though you're not supposed to, but if you were to have passenger plates on it, especially in the tri-state area, and you stay in the middle or left lane, you can probably make most of the parkways as far as the bridge overhead. They are small, so they're really whippy when you drive them. They go through traffic like you're driving a car, so it doesn't feel like you're driving something that's top heavy. You can really fly in them. They drive like cars. So this is a 2019 3500 170 Sprinter Cargo van. Can be used for anything. So the specifics of this van is that it is a 14-footer on the interior length. It's 6.5 feet tall on the inside. It's straight empty metal, so you can do just about anything with it. The 3500s are often used for refrigeration in our area, so people will insulate the inside and make it a mobile cooler. Not often used with the double wheels because you lose that pallet width space in between. A pallet is typically 48 inches, a non-European spec pallet, I should say. The wheel well is about 38.5 inches. You lose a lot of space, but it's cool because you have that extra carrying capacity and the extra strength with the more leaf springs and tighter shocks in the back to be able to support that extra weight. So this is actually a factory floor inside of a cargo van. They all come empty metal so that you can put your own floor in if you want to. We have a plastic floor from the factory available as a charge option, or the wood floor that we've shown you in previous videos, but this is the factory floor. You do still get standard D-rings along the side of the partition if you have one, and all along the bottom of the van. So this is a really, really cool feature from the factory available for a charge. Of course, it is the factory partition. It's the most airtight partition you can get on the market, aftermarket or factory. This is the one with the window. It is slightly contoured for your seat so that you can put your seat back. So I like the 3500 because they do tow more. You can tow 7,500 pounds instead of 5,000 pounds. With the dual wheels, God forbid you happen to blow a tire, you can still drive until you get to your destination because you have the extra wheel. You wouldn't want to, but you could. It does have that heavier support in the back, so even if you were doing only a 2,500 or 3,500 pound load, it would feel a lot more sturdy. They're just nice vans. You can use them for a lot of different things. You don't have to worry about the weight for the most part for general purposes. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is only the first of many, many more to come. I want to be your van. I will be your van resource for all information. If you want to ask me any questions or contact me for a deal, you can find me on social media, or you can subscribe to my channel. Please do that anyways. And enjoy. What?